Have you ever wondered what it's like to drive with total protection from speeding tickets? In this video, I'll walk you through the stealth radar laser defense system we installed on this Tesla Cybertruck. Here's the Redenzo built-in radar system paired with AL priority laser jammers, universal systems that we custom modify for a seamless integration into each vehicle. This system detects police radar and actively jams laser guns, giving the driver the ultimate edge against speed detection. Preliminary testing with multiple laser guns allows us to determine the optimal combination of laser jammers and precise placement to effectively jam both fixed and variable pulse rate laser guns. To effectively prevent laser guns from obtaining a speed reading, we determined that 4 laser jammers were needed on both the front and rear of the vehicle. The truck's large, flat surfaces made it more susceptible to detection, requiring extra time to optimize jammer placement for full coverage against all laser guns. For seamless integration, we began by 3D scanning the front of the vehicle, enabling us to reference the vehicle digitally and CAD-designed custom mounting brackets for the laser jammers. These brackets feature embedded magnets, allowing for a detachable and serviceable design. The brackets were 3D printed, while the lenses, designed to attach to the factory panel, were laser cut, sanded, and polished. The lenses were mounted with a 3D printed backing that allowed them to be mounted with screws. The laser jammer housings provide a stealth installation, seamlessly blending into the bumper for a clean, factory-like appearance. And here are the finished results. "3D scans were taken behind the front bumper to aid in designing the front radar mount. The mount was 3D printed and securely attaches to the vehicle without drilling any holes or modifications. The radar antenna bolts into the 3D printed bracket for serviceability. And the radar antenna ensures that you receive timely alerts of any radar threats ahead. "3D scans of the rear bumper and the area behind it were used to CAD-design custom mounts for the rear laser jammers. The mounts were 3D printed and securely attached to the vehicle using 3M double-sided tape. The lenses were laser cut, sanded, and polished. The lenses were mounted with a 3D printed backing that allowed them to be mounted with screws. The rear laser jammer housings seamlessly conceal the laser jammers within the rear bumper for a stealth, factory-like appearance. The rear radar antenna is concealed behind the bumper using a CAD-designed 3D printed bracket that securely attaches to the vehicle using a factory bolt. This radar antenna provides real-time alerts for radar threats from behind. The Redenzo display controller was integrated into the overhead panel using a CAD-designed 3D printed mount. For added versatility, a removable Cybertruck badge can be installed in place of the display when not in use. The dual GPS antennas were mounted inside the vehicle to the glass roof. They were secured to a CAD-designed 3D printed bracket that is attached using 3M double-sided tape. The main components were mounted to a 3D printed bracket located under the passenger side of the dash to factory mounting points. The wires were shortened to length, wrapped in factory matching tape, and labeled for serviceability. The speaker is mounted using a 2-piece bracket. One piece remains secured under the dash while the other attaches to the speaker. The 2 pieces connect seamlessly using magnets, allowing for easy installation and removal for serviceability. The USB update ports were CAD designed, 3D printed, and labeled for easy identification. To update the system, simply access the ports by opening the glove box door. After every install, we thoroughly test the system with multiple laser guns to ensure it is working properly. In these clips, you'll see the gun fail to obtain a speed until the laser jammers turn off. The system jams for a certain number of seconds before turning off, giving you time to slow down before law enforcement can get a reading. In this video, we tested the vehicle with a Dragon Eye laser gun with the ECCM on, which is one of the hardest to jam, and a few other fixed pulse rate guns. As you can see, it couldn't obtain a speed while the jammers were active, proving how effective this system can be when properly installed. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.